This is how you can make the most easiest fish fry in just 10 minutes. Look at how juicy and succulent the pieces look. By the way, this is boneless fish and it's quite soft. It's not chewy at all. So let's see how to make this. Also, this is my favorite fish recipe. So I'll be starting off with haldi, turmeric. I think this is approximately 1 teaspoon. It's better to eyeball the ingredients. I'm adding chili, red chili powder. You can add it according to your taste. If you want it a bit spicy, you can add more of it. If you don't want it to be too spicy, just reduce the amount of red chili powder, okay? Next, I'll be adding ajwain. I'm not quite sure about the English name for this. It gives a really good flavor to your fish. Next, I'm adding garlic powder. If you want, you can simply just substitute this with ginger garlic paste. Adding only garlic powder so that the masala that we are coating the fish in won't stick to the pan. Last but not the least, just add salt. Now, this is a very simple fish fry recipe, and oh yeah, I forgot, add garam masala powder as well to bring out the flavor. White vinegar. Now if you don't have vinegar, just substitute with lemon for the zesty goodness. Add a tablespoon of maida, all-purpose flour, so that it binds the masala together. And that's it. Just mix everything together. Now you can even add black pepper powder to this, but since I can't find black pepper powder over here, I'm not adding it. Make sure that every fish piece is coated in the masala. So this is how it looks, and now I'll be shallow frying it, not deep fried. The key to making an amazing fish fry is to fry the fish in mustard oil. I don't know why, but it just enhances the flavor a lot. This is what my mom has always done, so I'm doing it as well. I'll be adding mustard oil. Make sure you smoke the oil because mustard oil has a high cooking temperature. Okay, now you just have to be really careful when you're frying the fish. And now it's time to add the fish. So I'm adding all the pieces now. And this is how it looks. Each side for 4 to 5 minutes on medium low flame. Pieces to be crisp on the outside but juicy on the inside. And look at this. So it's time to turn the pieces now. This is so satisfying, to be honest. Okay, so I need both of my hands now. That's why I have brought the pan to the counter. I've turned all the pieces to the other side, and you have to fry it again for 4 to 5 minutes. The best thing about this fish is that this is boneless fish. All the pieces have been cut into medium-sized pieces so that they can cook at a much faster pace. Okay, so this is almost ready, and you can now garnish this with any of your herbs. Okay, let me just put it onto this plate now, and yep, this is how it looks. So I'm using pudina over here, that is mint leaves, chopped mint leaves. Now if you want, you can add green chilies or mint leaves, coriander leaves, whatever you want, whatever herb you like. And this is how it looks. So this is our fish fry, ready in just 10 minutes. You don't even need to marinate it. It's ready to be. Wow, let me give you a closer look. And yeah, this is how you have made very easy fried fish. You can make this in just 10 minutes without ginger garlic paste, without marinating everything. So it's very quick, it's very juicy. And now it's time for the taste test.
Oh my god.
Fish is not overcooked. See, it's so soft and so juicy. It's quite spicy as well. So do try this at home. And this is how our quick juicy fish fry is ready. Serve it with both rice and roti. It's all up to you. And you're good to go. Khuda Hafiz.